about difficult examples of practice set 3.6. Let's see example. Now first example, x square minus x bracket square minus 8 x square minus x plus 12. Now in this type of example, first we have to convert this into trinomial by making suitable substitution. Now if you will observe this example, now see in first bracket x square minus x is there, in second bracket also x square minus x is there, then we have to make suitable substitution here. Then substitute x square minus x is equal to m. Then you will get, now here on this place we are writing m. Then you will get m square minus 8, then again m plus 12. Now you got this trinomial and you have to find the factors of this. Now see how you will find factors. First we have to do multiplication of this. Now here any coefficient is not there, means 1 is there. 1 multiplied by 12, you will get 12 and sign is positive sign. Now if positive sign is there, now we want two factors whose multiplication is 12 and addition is 8. Now why addition I am telling? Because this positive sign is there. Third term is positive. Then that time we want two factors whose multiplication is 12 and addition is 8. Then two numbers are 6 and 2. 6 2s are 12 and 6 plus 2 8. Now we have to give the sign. If third term is positive, then two numbers will have same sign. And which sign? Middle number sign. Now middle number is 8. 8 has negative sign. So give negative sign to both the numbers. Means minus 6, minus 2. Now we will write this. M square minus 6m minus 2m plus 12. First group, second group. Now m will common. Then you will get m minus 6. Here minus 2 will common. M minus 6. And these two brackets will be same always. Then in one bracket m minus 6. In another bracket m minus 2. Now you got answer, but your answer is in m variable. And in example x variable is given. Then again you have to resubstitute the value of m. Resubstitute the value of m. Now m value we have written here x square minus x. Then again we will write that x square minus x minus 6. Second bracket x square minus x minus 2. Now again you have to find the factors. Now same process you can use or direct also we can write. Now you understood how to do that. Then direct we will write here. Now see in this first bracket x square minus x minus 6. Now for this bracket we will see. Now see third term is minus 6. Means minus 6 multiplication. Now we want two numbers whose multiplication is minus 6 and difference is 1. Now see why 1 I am seeing, because negative sign is there. If negative sign is there, that time you have to see difference should be middle number. If third term is positive, then addition should be middle number. Now here third term is negative. So we want two numbers whose multiplication is 6 and difference is 1. Now two numbers are there, 3 and 2. 3 2s are 6 and difference of 3 and 2 is 1. Now we have to give sign. Now same sign will not be there. Why? Because multiplication is negative. So different sign will come. Now see there you have to see middle number sign for that. Middle number sign is negative. So give this negative sign to bigger number. And bigger number is 3. So give negative sign here. Then remaining sign we will give plus sign to next number. Then see minus 3 into 2 plus 2 minus 6 will come. In this way, if third term is negative, you have to give different sign to both the numbers. Now we will write here factors x minus 3, x plus 2. Now these are the factors of this. Now remaining we will do. Now see this bracket. Now here multiplication is minus 2. Now we want two factors whose multiplication is 2 and difference is 1. Then again two numbers are there. 2 1s are 2. And again negative sign is there to third term. Therefore we will give different sign to both the numbers. Middle sign is negative, so give negative sign to big number, means minus 2 plus 1. Then factors will be x minus 2, x plus 1. In this way we can solve this example. Now this example, first example we have seen, then second example we will see now. You can take screenshot also. Now see second example. X square minus 2x plus 3. Second bracket is given x square minus 2x plus 5 minus 35. Now in this example, now see what is common there, x square minus 2x, and here x square minus 2x. Now this is same in both the brackets. Now we have to do suitable substitution there. Substitute x square minus 2x is equal to m. Any alphabet you can take. This is not there that m we have to take. Any alphabet you can take from a to z. Only x variable is there. Therefore x variable we will not take for substitution. Substitute this then. M plus 3 in one bracket. Another bracket m plus 5 minus 35. Now we have to do multiplication. First we will multiply by m. M into m square. M into 5, 5m, plus 3 into m, 3m, 3 into 5, 15 minus 35. Then m square, 5m plus 3m, 8m, plus 15 minus 35 minus 20. Now again third term is negative. Now we want two numbers whose multiplication is 20 and difference is 8. Then two numbers are 10 2s are 20. Now again negative number is there, therefore different sign will come. Now middle number sign is positive, so give this positive sign to big number and remaining sign will come to another number. Then factors m square plus 10m minus 2m minus 20. First group, second group, m common. You will get m plus 10 minus 2 common, you will get again m plus 10. In first example also I have told you same bracket you will get. In one bracket m plus 10, in another bracket m minus 2. Then again you have to resubstitute the value. Resubstitute the value of m. You get. Now see there, value of m, x square minus 2x plus 10, second x square minus 2x minus 2. Now we will solve this. Now see there, in this bracket now, multiplication 10 and addition 2. Now see, this 10 is positive, therefore we want addition 2 and multiplication 10. Now 10 is in table of 2, 2 5s are 10. But difference is not 2. Again 10 ones are 10 is also there, but their addition is not 2. Because this is addition we have to see here. Because see, third term is positive. Now we want multiplication 10 and their addition 2. Now 10 is in table of 2. 2 5s are 10. But 2 will not come, their addition will not be 2. 10 ones are 10, but again addition will not be 2. Means we cannot find factors of this by using factorization method. Now here in this bracket, multiplication is minus 2 and now see this is negative sign and difference 2. Again not possible, we cannot find the factors here. Then this will be the answer of this, x square minus 2x plus 10 and x square minus 2x minus 2. Now if you can find factors by factorization method, then we can find, otherwise we will remain as it is answer. Now next, third number question we will take now is now series third number question. Now in this question, now see 4 brackets are there and 4 brackets multiplication you have to do now. Now for this we will make group of two brackets together and we will do multiplication of them. Now for this, now see how you have to do. You have to take that addition and that addition will be same. Now this number addition. Now here plus 2 and minus 3. If you will add this plus 2 and minus 3, you will get minus 1. 8 plus 3, you will get 11. Not same. Then these two brackets also we cannot take. Now first bracket and last bracket you will take plus 2 plus 3, 5. Minus 3 plus 8, again 5. Now in this way you will make the group. And why we are doing this? Because after that we have to do substitution there. And for getting same numbers in bracket, we are doing like this trick. This is the trick for solving this example. Then in one bracket we will take y plus 2. In another bracket we will take y plus 3. Next y minus 3. Y plus 8 plus 56. Now we will do multiplication of bracket. Here first y into y square, y into 3, 3y, 2 into 1, 2y, 2 3s are 6. Now here multiplication, y into y square, y into 8, 8y, minus 3 into y, minus 3y, minus 24 plus 56. Y square plus 5y plus 6. In another bracket, y square plus 5y minus 24 plus 56. Now we have to do substitution. Now see y square plus 5y, y square plus 5y. Then substitute y square plus 5y is equal to m. Then you will get m plus 6, m minus 24 plus 56. Now again multiplication we will do there. M into m square, m into minus 24, minus 24m, 6 into m, 6m. Now 24, 6, that answer is minus 144 plus 56. Then m square, minus 24m plus 6, minus 18m, minus, now see there, minus 144 plus 56, then that answer will be, now see 4 minus 6, 8, 88. Answer will be 88. Now we have to find factors. Now we want two numbers whose multiplication is 88 and difference is 18. Then two numbers are 22, 4. Again negative sign, therefore different sign will come. Middle number sign is negative, so give negative sign here and here will be plus sign. Then direct answer also you can write. You will get that answer m minus 22 and m plus 4. Now again resubstitute the value of m. Resubstitute the value of m. Now m value is y square plus 5y, y square plus 5y minus 22, y square plus 5y plus 4. Now see again you have to find factors. Now multiplication 22 and difference 5, like these two numbers you will not get. Now here multiplication 4 and addition 5, number you will get 4 ones are 4, means first bracket as it is. You will not find these factors here because not possible. Here factors will be y plus 4 and y plus 1. Now in this way you can find this third number example. Then again one example I have written on the board, that also we will solve now. Now see this fourth number example. Now in this example, what is there? See that x minus 3, second bracket is x minus 4 bracket square, then x minus 5 minus 6. Now here square is there, therefore this separate bracket we will keep and we will do multiplication of this first and third bracket. x minus 3, x minus 5, and next we will do x minus 4 bracket square minus 6. Now here first multiplication we will do x into x, x square, x into 5 minus 5x, minus 3 into x minus 3x, minus 3 into minus 5 plus 15. Now here expansion of this. For this expansion one formula is there. A minus b bracket square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. That expansion formula we can use there. X square minus 2 into x into 4 plus 4 square minus 6. X square minus 8x plus 15. X square minus 8x plus 16 minus 6. Now see x square minus 8x, x square minus 8x, same. Then substitute x square minus 8x is equal to m. We get m plus 15, m plus 16 minus 6. Now again multiplication we have to do there. M into m, m square, m into 16, 16m, 15 into m, 15m. Now again here multiplication we have to do 15 into 6, 15 6 are 90, 0 means 9, 15 1s are 15 and 9, 24 means 240 minus 6, m square plus 16 plus 15, that multiplication will that addition will be 31m plus 240 minus 6, then answer will be 234. Now we have to find the factors of this. Multiplication 234 and addition will be 31. 234, addition will be 31. Now we want two numbers. Now find out two numbers there whose multiplication will be 234 and addition will be 31. Now we have to find that numbers. Now suppose big numbers are here like this, 234, and factors easily you will not get. And suppose table also, if you don't know that how to find the factors, now whose multiplication is 234 and addition is 31, then for that simple trick I am telling you how to find the factors of this. Now see first, suppose 234 is there. Now 234 is divisible by 2. Then we will write that 2. Then 2 multiplied by, see what which number you will get. Now 2 1s are 2. Next 2 1s are 2 again. And 2 7s are 117. Then 2 into, now 117 is divisible by 3. Then you will get that 3 3s are 3 3s are 9, and again 3 9s are 27 means 39. Then 2 into 3 again divisible by 3 and you will get 13. Now see there, one number we got 13 and second we will multiply this. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18 means 18 into 13. Now see, 18 into 13 multiplication you will get 234 and 18 plus 13 you will get 31 there. Now in this way we can find the numbers. If number is big and easily you are unable to find them, this trick you can use for finding the factors. Then you can write the numbers there, m plus 18 and m plus 13. Now see, again we have to resubstitute the value there. Resubstitute the value of m. Now see, what is the value of m? X square minus 8x plus 18, and second bracket will be x square minus 8x plus 13. Now here multiplication 18 and their addition 8. Now see, 18 number is there in table of 2. 2 9s are 18, but 2 plus 9 is not 8. Next 6 3s are, but 6 plus 3 is not 9. So factors we cannot find here of this. Next is multiplication 13 and their addition 8, again not possible, then this will be the answer. Now in this way you can find the difficult examples of practice set 3.6.